So I'm going to attempt a quick job on the ERF EC10. I'm going to fit a pelmet into the window. So come with. Alright, up we go. This is the pelmet, and it's going to run along here. So the pelmet already has the velcro on this side, so I've just grabbed a tiny roll of velcro. I'm going to apply it, self-adhesive, and we're going to fit it in. So I have said pelmet, I'm going to lean it out across the dash, and it should run right across the full length of the windscreen and then like slightly curved on the corners. It kind of needs to match the sun visor, which you can't see. You can see a little bit here. It's red. So it should hang directly in the middle and then run along both sides. So we're going to take our velcro and we're going to get moving. So obviously the easiest way to measure the velcro is taking this side and applying it to the soft side. So we're just going to stick it on all the way down. And then when we make the cut, we know that we've got the right amount. Perfect. And we'll just snip this bit off. Right there. Right, so now we have that applied on, we can take it off and get sticking it to the window. Right, so what I've done is I have folded this exactly in half and I have tore the backing paper so I know exactly where halfway is, and we're going to apply it to the rubber. If I can show you somehow with my phone, this rubber strip along here, and wonderful indication of where the middle is a screw right there. So the rip in the adhesive back, I'm going to start applying it here. I'm going to work my way to the right and then to the left. Right, so I got the first bit on off camera. This is really fiddly and it is ridiculously warm in here today. So we're just going to peel and apply as we go, making sure it's nice and high out of the way, and it's going to run all the way around to the front window pillar. So when I get that done, I'll come back. So that is one full side done. It runs all the way along here and then up onto this little bit here. So I'm going to do the other side without trying to make too much of a hash of a job of it. And there we have it, all the way around to the other side. So, it's pelmet time. So once again, I'm going to fold this in half to make sure I definitely get the centre. Otherwise it's all going to look really weird. If it's off centre, it's going to look so strange. And Josh would probably kick my ass. So I'm not up for an ass kicking today. So I'm going to apply this right in the middle. The centre is there. And then just stick. Yeah, I did. And all the way around. Fits perfectly. Oh yes, lovely jubbly. See my kids running around up there. They're like, "Mummy, what are you doing in the lorry?" So And then we'll go outside and have a proper look. Look at that. Snug as a bug. Good job done. Here we go. I don't even know whether you can see it up there because the sun is so bright. You just make out the ERF. I assure you it's in there. I'll come back later when it's darker so you can actually see it. The sun visor is giving off so much glare. But Josh, wash your bloody wagon, will you? Piece de la resistance. The curtains match the Pelmet.